Okay, now next. Molecules moves down a concentration gradient from an area where they are more concentrated to an area where they are less concentrated. Now here you can see there are more particles at this bit. Okay, so we say they are having higher concentration. And here is lower concentration because the particles are much less. So you can see the particles move down from higher to lower. This is what we mean by down a concentration gradient. So the next thing is you fill in the blanks, definition of diffusion to evaluate yourself. Okay, it's better for you to memorize the definition than you write down, fill in the blanks here. So diffusion is the movement of molecules from where to where? From higher to lower. Okay, from higher concentration to lower concentration down the concentration gradient. Now, diffusion only occurs in liquid and gases. Diffusion in gas is faster than diffusion in liquid. Now, if you remember the kinetic theory when you were in year 7, year 8, look at the model of the particles. Okay, if you remember, this is the model of solid. You can see the particles are very closely packed and the particles are fixed in their position. This is solid. And then this is the particles in gas. In liquid. So this is in liquid. The particles are closely packed but can still move. And the particles in gas are very far apart and they are constantly in motion. So if you compare liquid and gas, there are more spaces between the gas particles than in liquid. So that is why diffusion in gas is faster. Okay, faster in gas because there the spaces are the furthest apart compared to liquid. Now, why diffusion cannot occur in solid? So the reason they cannot occur in solid because the particles in solid are in their fixed position. Okay, they cannot move freely. They vibrate about their fixed position only. Okay, so they cannot move. Okay, they cannot move freely. Why? Because they are held in fixed position. They can only vibrate.